So this question is asking us to determine the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in the isotope copper, 69. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look at the periodic table, and you're going to want to realize the atomic number for copper is 29. This does not change. This is the number of protons in the element, and no matter what the isotope is, the amount of protons are going to remain the same. So we know that in the element copper, we are going to have 29 protons. Now, the definition of an isotope is an element with a varying number of neutrons. And we know that this number, which is the mass number, is equal to the amount of protons and neutrons. So, to find the number of neutrons, we need to take the mass number and subtract it by the protons. So, we will take 63 and subtract it by 29, and this is going to give us our number of neutrons. And in this case, that will be 34. Now, the problem gives us a negatively charged copper ion, which means that this copper gained an electron and therefore has a negative charge. In a stable element, the number of protons is going to equal the number of electrons. So we know that the number of electrons is just going to equal one more than the proton, since it gained an electron to have a negative charge. So we can write this a little bit neater now. And we know that there are 30 electrons. Whoops. (29) protons and 34 neutrons in this isotope of copper.